Yo, what's up, my fellow people? I'm back here again with another reaction, another diss track reaction. Of course, this is a response to Big Zulu's 150 bars. Of course it is. But who do we got today? We got my man, Duncan. What's the name of the song? Umncwabo. Big Zulu diss. Hey, yo, haven't heard Duncan spit in a minute, bro. In a minute. Hey, yo, look at the album cover, bro. They got this pineapple head ass boy wearing headphones, Louis V, agua Gucci, agua Nike. Hey yo, bro, let's get into it, bro.
Bathandekayo esekhulumile umfana uQuesta noKO lapha sesocela ukuthatha lethuba sithi kunika uDuncan Scoover athi ukukhuluma ngomfowethu la esombeka lapha emathuneni
leqheqhu laseBackville abathi uPapa Ben lecathi rap umdlalo.
Violence activated, baba. Nah, I wasn't ready for that one, bro.
khuluma ngomfowethu la esombeka lapha emathuneni
leqheqhu laseBackville abathi uPapa Ben lecathi rap umdlalo bheka manje ngizolifaka esikoleni kusobu yisiqhembe nentshebe ngathi intabo zebheshu ucathi rap isikathami nomlomo onuka intelezi uphambanelwe imizwa ezithombeni uphosa njengethekeni inkabe njani epakishile esipintsha ngamabhlukwe.
Hey, yo, boy. Nah, bro. Bro, y'all ain't tell me Duncan is like, is this bad? Like, this nigga is bad, bro. Not bad in a bad way, like bad in a villain way, bro. Like the Joker bad. Like, shit, this nigga ain't playing, bro. You. But think abenjani, ba besipinya ngamabro. Yo. Enipagile, ba. Aba Duncan, yeah.
Ngathi intabo zebheshu ucathi rap isikathami nomlomo onuka intelezi uphambanelwe imizwa ezithombeni uphosa njengethekeni inkabe njani epakishile esipintsha ngamabhlukwe khona ukushaya amanzi lana somiza ukhulume shoro mfa
khona ukushaya amanzi somiza ukhulume. In other words,
pintsha ngamabhlukwe khona ukushaya amanzi lana somiza ukhulume shoro mfa namhlanje kuzozila umuntu ngizogweba lesimomondi yaserasta bathi uBig Zulu bheka kuzulazula manqa sekasifakile kunokuchaka vela kakwazi nokurapha mayirapha ngathi uyabala wena usiya umrap ubaba nje ophaphaya usinayo ngeligazi labantu without ama feature kuyaphetha ayikho hit ebhono wena zonke le ngoma uyazithenga nama views ku YouTube usiyazi na uyawathenga ingoma zakho kuze zidlale emsakazweni uyayikhokhela umonakalo suqalile Papa Ben uzokhokhela ulala kanjani kuleyo ndlu wazi belonga kuQuesta ungazongitesta wenja zokudonsa ngenjebe
ulala kanjani kuleyo ndlu wazi belonga kuQuesta. How do you sleep in that house? It's not yours, man. No, but ayo, Questa cleared it up though. I heard Questa on a video, I think it was today. He said Big Zulu paid for that house. That's what he said. I think, yeah, on that video, Questa said Big Zulu paid cash. Ayo, Duncan is not playing, bro. You.
Msakazweni uyayikhokhela umonakalo suqalile Papa Ben uzokhokhela ulala kanjani kuleyo ndlu wazi belonga kuQuesta ungazongitesta wenja zokudonsa ngenjebe ngizokuthengela iphinifa kwemfazi kumele ufunde ukupheka makahlale ngentombi uMazulu isimilo simphelele makagqoka iphenti lakho untekenteke uyasoleka uhlanyiswa ikhaveli isicathulo seimpatha nabaqhaka noma ehamba uyadunusa ngathi uthengisa ngenduna ngakaqedi ngaye but ngabe niqala nibiza ihearse.
Bro, Duncan is amazing, boy.
Tekenteke uyasoleka uhlanyiswa ikhaveli isicathulo seimpatha nabaqhaka noma ehamba uyadunusa ngathi uthengisa ngenduna ngakaqedi ngaye but ngabe niqala nibiza ihearse sibiza ngenkabi kodwa ukwazi nokubulala neverse usiZulu
sikubiza ngenkabi mara ukwazi ukubulala neverse. It's 1 minute, boy. 1 minute feels like 10 minutes now.
isiZulu ugqoka iskinny jean makanikwe press ubig nduni into engagezi uyibuka
ubig nduni
versus isiZulu ugqoka iskinny jean makanikwe press ubig nduni into engagezi uyibuka ngathi inuka impepha ingoma zakho sidlala sibhemile ngoba sifuna ukuhleka ingoma zakho azilaleleki sithanda ama-chorus kuphela ngapha nevoice iyacika ngathi uhlafuna buchitha amanzi kwami ikhanda lakho ngizolenza isikoropo irap iyakuhlula waye ungazami imbebe enkolo ntanga bakho bakomayimayi babhizi badla inhloko wena ubhizi ufosa irap la
shout out kwaMayimayi bro shout out
ezenkolo ntanga bakho bakomayimayi
hey kwaMayimayi Scopo. Maybe that's what Questa meant in that verse of his where he said something Scopo. No, it was KO, not Questa. KO said Scopo lesidla mathambo wengqondo. Hey yo, these people are too lyrical, bro. I can't break this. The Duncan is too much fire, bro. And he got too much jokes, bro.
isikoropo irap iyakuhlula waye ungazami imbebe ezenkolo ntanga bakho bakomayimayi babhizi badla inhloko wena ubhizi ufosa irap la fokola unakhona ikhanda lakho likhuluma mahala ligcwele i-brandwood nomoya ngithi ngishayele isipikili kanti ngishayele lumkhonto lesikopho esigcwele ukhonkolo ngizosiphula amabokoboko ukhehla sikhora unomona plus ugimbela kwesakhe wathatha imali ye-tournament wayoyidla nomndeni wakhe kumnandi ukudla amandla abantu iqwebezela neyihlathi
kodwa efrijini laDubai akukho ngisho nekanda man
Genege talent nkabi thina nothumuthi thina ingoma sayibhalela nkaba
Hey, let's ngebe ngetalent ayingomuthi baba. Yo, Duncan is pissed off, bro.
ukudla amandla abantu iqwebezela neyihlathi
kodwa efrijini laDubai akukho ngisho nekanda man
lana sigeneke talent nkabi thina nothumuthi thina ingoma sayibhalela nkaba siyithathi kumuntu thina ipheni seligqilaza baba sikho ntukuntuku nangusikhuve khipha isidumbu rasta qala uthweba umufi wena omrapper bakufili akusho mina kusho abantu ngibhala ivesi eMoria ngase-Phoenix kusho abantu wena ungithusi wisibhamu sethoyizi esingabulali uzela ngobuso obunezinza ngizokubamba nge-shaving line uzibiza ngenkabi phatha usabeka ufana no-pineapple angikuboni kimi ufeel angaze vele kancane ngikuthatha njengalento esala kwithishu uma ngishidaba udla umju
Bruh. Yo, Duncan is amazing, dog.
shaving line uzibiza ngenkabi phatha usabeka ufana no-pineapple angikuboni kimi ufeel angaze vele kancane ngikuthatha njengalento esala kwithishu uma ngishidaba udla umjuluko kaQuesta leso studio se-rap life ayikho into ozikalela yona njalo uqhamuka usuthatha zakhe uhlike emthini satshalwa yimi lesihlahla wena uyimpatha nje ethalent lesezinukela amakhwaphu lokhu uzosifuthela isifuba uzosisabisa ngokusishaya asilwe ngamagama irap le qaqeka thalala ngilokisho ufakhe ngisikhombisa impathi reason ngakugabha ifishi indaba ngiraphi nabachaka namanje still usabanda nakusasa uzobe usabanda kahle kahle skills sakho zula ngeke sifike la ushaya ngeflow siyazi sonke ngathi ucula i-national anthem ugqokisa okwenyoni sekushodwa uyitholela izidleke angikufili nge-rap lyrical wisidindi nje sikhanyela usabisa ngesifuba esigcwele inwele plus unamabele
kanti unamabele futhi enjalo ukunzana engabe ugqoka usayizibani kablalo okhelelini ozibiza ngenkabi
kule game imini impilo wena Big Zulu uyisidlo kule game imini isilo wena Big Zulu uyibutho ucathi rap rank uzela nama-16 aphukile ngidonsa inkabi nge
Ucama ukuthi rap hi rank uzela nama-16 aphukile. Siyaya inama-seat ayi-16. Quantum, okay, I'm not sure, but these texts have 16 seats and how many things? 16 bars. So uzela nama-16 aphukile. Two-sided. Respect.
Miyeko ngisho amabhinqa sevumile mkikizeleni lo mrapho lalegqokisha wakhepha ngibashaya abafazi kodwa lana ngizoqondisa igwegwe zogweba umazulu isigwegwe saseBergville esiyithwele ngizinge entshebeni ngeliriki phela manje anginazwela phela ngizalelwe egerheni esihogweni ngasemgedeni emgidagidweni esikepeni kwistraktisi abahedeni lapho esinquma khona inkaba umzimba sulahle emaweni udila nosikhotheni into ebhalela amavesi emhosheni competition yama isekho la bathi sesihogweni lana ngizokhulisa inkabi ngoba ngathi ibhorekile wena uyilento emhlophe kwinduku yenkwekwe engasokiwe ngrapha kikisa ingelosi zaseBabylon uringa kakhulu uzogqoka umlomo ngedilosi incabination ikhampani yamapiticoat awusiyinkunzi ubudoda bakho mkangedodolozi imini umabhamuza bosobhuza ekasi ngishiya kubhuzwa ngena nkabu wena umufi impilo okugubhelele thuna ifu kumele kufumunta kufumuntu umakhuluva sihlephula indoda ngesihluku umzala ahlale kumandrasi siqede sifike emngcwabeni wayo sikhafulela ithuna sami mina ngikhathalele kuthenja isibhamu zami amagamami bathi amandla seyinolweni kuzomele ngimgundi khanda cela sonke sifake inhlabathi sigqibeni ushuni womfazi.
No, bro, no. No, bro. Yo. Questa, KO. I hear you. Duncan took the cup. Ain't no way, bro. Yo. Duncan just took the cup of it. Casper, aka MT, have not. They should reply, bro. I feel like they should reply. This nigga, bro, he just ended Big Zoo. And then look at the cover. It says Big Ndun. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I'm out of here, bro. I respect Duncan, Baba. Yo, respect.